Oh, welcome back to One Cook Greek! As you can see, this is a tomato, but it's also the base for a delicious plate that almost everyone adores in Greece. Subscribe to the channel and be ready to pay a visit to your fridge, because today we're gonna mix a lot of good things to a superb cooking result. So all set, it's time to cook. Stuffed tomatoes, green peppers and eggplants, surrounded by baked potatoes. You know, people think it's some kind of a hard cooking test to make stuffed tomatoes, and I would say it's exactly the opposite. Yes, maybe longer than the usual process, but it's fun and pretty easy. I have my baking pan here. This is where the miracle happens. So let's start. Head to your fridge and get all the tomatoes and the green peppers you may find. I use the eggplants too.
Yeah, like a treasure hunting. I need to gather some spearmint for my garden. That would be enough.
Now that I've gathered all my veggies, it's time for the rest of the ingredients. Enjoy! So we're gonna need 5 tomatoes of medium size, 3 green peppers and 2 eggplants. So it's 5 tomatoes, 3 peppers, 2 eggplants, 5-3-2. It sounds like a football system. 1 full cup of rice, the Carolina type, 5 potatoes, and 300 grams of feta cheese, 2 medium onions, 3 pieces of garlic, a brave spoon with strong tomato pasta. Now the herbs are dill, parsley, but the most important is the spearmint that I gathered before, some rusk, salt and pepper. Do I forget of something? Of course, olive oil. Wash out your vegetables diligently. For a start, I will lay my pan over here. Decapitate the tomatoes, but not completely. Keep that spot as a hatch, like this. Now remove the green part inside and throw it away. Get a spoon and remove gently the inner part. Be careful not to pierce the bottom. It's time for the machines to speak. Throw the tomatoes' inner parts into the multi-mixer. Place the empty tomatoes into the baking pan. Add the strong tomato pasta and melt them until they become a red juice. I can see my retro bowl coming. Here it is, yeah! Now decapitate the green peppers and remove the seeds inside. Wash out the inside of the green peppers. Then place them vertically in front of the tomatoes so they can stand. Remove the stem of the eggplants. And throw them away. Create a cup on the top of them. And save it for later. Use a small knife for a start to remove the white stuff inside. Remember, do not pierce the bottom. Use a spoon to complete your piece of art. Heat the white stuff into the multi, but not as much as we did with the tomatoes. We want them in very small pieces. Throw the pieces into the bowl. Now the multi may think, hey, I'm done, but not yet. Put the onions and the garlic inside, heat them to small pieces, and remember not to melt them. It's time for the herbs. Heat them in the same way. Keep them alive and combine them with the rest of the ingredients. This is the perfect moment to turn on your oven. Preheat it at 170 to 180 degrees for about 10 minutes. Back to the bowl. Throw the rice in. Pepper, not too much. And some salt, about 1.5 to 2 teaspoons. The olive oil, about 1/4 cup. As you see, it's not a coincidence the name we give to this cooking in Greece, and we call it, or them, oli plates. Smash the feta cheese into your hands to small pieces and throw them in. Mix the stuff inside with a spoon for some seconds so they become one. Add some water, about 1/2 glass. And mix them again. Now use a spoon to fill the vegetables. Save some of it aside. And now add a glass of water. So in this glorious moment, I want to report all those guys and girls that add minced meat into the stuffed tomatoes. If you hear someone saying such things, kick him in and throw him into the sea. Let's cut the potatoes now. The normal baking size is ideal. Pour the saved mixture on the potatoes. Add some salt, pepper, pour some rusk on the caps of the veggies so to secure the liquids inside and remove some of the outer moisture. The pan flies into the oven, and within an hour and a half you'll be experiencing a remarkable taste. After the food is ready, let it cool for about 30 minutes. It's even better when served in room temperature. Be patient and you shall be rewarded. Come to Daddy. So here it is, stuffed tomatoes, green peppers and eggplants with marvelous baked potatoes. Need more time to announce than to eat.